Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: level machine, secure water inlet, and a stable drain. Once done, open the detergent drawer and remove visible residue so the cleaner can reach internal paths. Add the recommended Auto Clean tablet or 5100 ml liquid cleaner into the drum or dispenser as Midea specifies. Make sure the door is closed, then select the Auto Clean program and press Start. You're initiating the cycle that circulates hot water and detergent to dissolve buildup. Once the cycle starts, you should monitor progress without interrupting heating phases. The Auto Clean program runs heated rinses, agitation, and spins, usually 60 to 90 minutes, so be patient while it dissolves scale and biofilm. Make sure the drain is unobstructed and the machine remains level. If you hear clanking or see leaks, pause and inspect hoses and seals to prevent damage. Do not open the lid during high-temperature stages, because sudden cooling can harm seals and reduce cleaning effectiveness. When the program finishes, open the door and let the drum air dry for at least 1 hour to prevent mildew. You should wipe the rubber gasket, drum rim, and dispenser drawer to remove loosened grime. If you still see residue, run a short rinse cycle to flush it out. If unpleasant smells persist or water drains slowly, check the drain pump filter for lint or foreign objects and clean it. If leaks or repeated noise continue, contact service. These symptoms indicate a faulty seal or pump that needs repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.